Hello everyone, Real Learn Magic here, and I'm going to show you how to work with the About Land window or menu. There are two ways to open up that menu. The first is to actually right-click on the land itself and click About Land from the Pie menu. Or if you click up here in the upper toolbar on the land information, then it will open the About Land information as well. So here we are. I'm on a parcel of land, just like you're going to have as part of this course. It's going to be 1 square, which is a total of 576 square meters. On this very first general tab, you can see some information. First is the name, and this is the name of the parcel, not the entire island. See, the entire island is Rio Learn Gardens. Well, this is your parcel, so you can rename it to what you'd like to name it. In this case, this is, I'm going to call it Magic Land because it's my spot, right? Because in this case, I'm being you, the student. And then you can change the description. Magic's building spot. And you can, be creative, but, keep it PG rated. And then it shows who is the owner. In this case, once you've bought it, as you did in the last lesson, or in lesson 4, you'll know that it'll show here that you are the owner. And the group, you'll want to have the group set to your Rio Salado College group. Okay? Now, at the end of the course, you'll go ahead and sell the land back to me. But for now, you don't need to do that. And then this just says how much area you have and traffic. This number, as you spend time or you invite people over to your parcel, this number will reflect that. It isn't a total of the number of visitors to the spot. It's more every hour or so they see how many avatars are on that parcel and add it to a total, and it goes in like 12-hour cycles. It's not truly a how many visitors number, but it's something Linden Labs provides, and it will go up as you spend time on your land. Next is the covenant. You're first going to see the region and the estate owner, which is me. You'll see this information, and again, there's not going to necessarily be a covenant if there's information in this section when you join the class. It's because we've decided to give additional guidelines to the students on what they can and cannot do on their land. At this point, you'll want to just take a look in this section to understand, and any of this would also be pointed out in this lesson beforehand. On mainland, which is the land owned by Linden Labs, and it's all connected as one big continent, there's no covenant either. But if you go to private estates or private islands like Real Learn Gardens is, the people there will set up covenants on limiting how tall buildings can be, how the land can be used, what sort of dress can be on the land. In whether it's a role-playing sim, it'll outline it here. So this is important information when you're visiting places, especially if you choose to rent or buy land outside of your little parcel that we're providing here. I'm going to continue with objects and options in the next video.